Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use mid function in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see the mid function in Excel extracts a specific number of characters from a middle of text string starting at the specified position. So let's start. The mid function helps you extract a portion of text from a cell. So simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the mid, and select here the first text, the cell reference of text. Okay, F7. Then use the comma. Then start number means the position where the extraction begins. So I want to extract begins from F. The F position is 4. So how is 4? The C is the first position, O is the second position, N is the third position, and F is the fourth position. Okay, therefore I enter here 4. Then use the comma. The number charts the numbers of characters you want to extract. So how many numbers of characters you want to extract? Okay, so I want to extract only 2 characters. Okay, and bracket closed, and just enter, and that's it. Only 2 characters here extracted. Begins for F. Did here. Now I want to extract 4 characters. Just double click on it and just change here the characters. So I enter here the 4 character. Okay, so FIDE, the 4 characters from the F. Okay, so I want to change the position where the extraction begins. So here the position I enter, the start number is a 4. Now I want to start from the 6. Okay, 6, and just enter. See, D, E, and C, the 6 number position of D. So C is a 1, O is a 2, and 3, 4 F, I 5, and D is a 6 number. Therefore, start the characters from D. Okay. So this is a way you can use the mid function in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.